Ngibingelele umndeni wami uShashana, umndeni wami uMose. Ngibingelele umndeni wakithi, umndeni wamaThenjwa. Ngicela ngibonge umyeni wami ukuthi kusukela kade ngasafisa namhlanje sewazolafezeka. Ngiyabonga ukuthi ungithandile, wangikhetha eningini wabona kufanele ukuthi bengunkosikazi wakhe. Ngibonge lonke njengoba nikhona la ukuthi nishiye konke ebenizokwenza nazohlanganyelana nathi usuku namhlanje. Abantu besebenza bakwazi ukuthi bekhansele
nothando lethu oluya njalo.
Ngalendanazo ngiyathabatha ukuba ibe yisibonakaliso sethu nesiqiniseko sethu nesivumelwano sethu nothando lwethu olubuye njalo.
Oh, what a beautiful white wedding. Sanibonani guys, welcome back to my channel. Congratulations to the newlywed. Ukuzani Mvukampongozi Nkosi yami has finally revealed the identity of mystery wife wakhe. Emanating ngakhumbula for the past few months. Bethe keep her identity in mystery. Now the 35-year-old musician from Enkandla, uBophi Findo laphana noNdumiso Mathenjwa, unkosikazi wakhe omuhle. Umshado-ke wenzelwe khona lapha KwaZulu-Natal ngoLwesine. Wakawubonapho umshado wenziwa ngoLwesine. Ayithi phela benzela ukuthi abantu bangafiki bengaminywanga bezohala lapha. Now, Minute ngiyakhumbula-ke wamemezela laphana around July ukuthi he would be traditionally marrying his wife ngo-December ekhaya kubo eNkandla, and fans have been desperate to know who is or who was the lucky lady. Now, the musician managed to keep all wedding preparations under wraps before a big reveal. Wenzile umkhehlo, a pre-wedding ceremony with uNondumiso at her home in Ngwavuma, eManyiseni Village on Sunday, umhla 7 December. Sources close to Khuzani told Daily Sun that the star wanted to surprise the public by revealing his wife during their wedding. Khuzani's wife isn't in the entertainment industry as many people predicted, and they've been in love for a long time. Congratulations to the newlywed man. We wish them a beautiful, successful marriage. Do let me know guys what you think in the comment section down below.